What are the health risks of asbestos pipe insulation? What are the health risks of asbestos pipe insulation? This is a question that many people may not think about until it affects them directly. Asbestos pipe insulation can pose serious health risks, primarily due to the tiny fibers that can be released when the material is disturbed. When these fibers become airborne, they can be inhaled or ingested, leading to severe health issues. One of the most common problems linked to asbestos exposure is asbestosis. This chronic lung disease occurs when asbestos fibers cause scarring in lung tissue. Individuals with asbestosis often experience breathing difficulties, a persistent cough, and reduced lung function. This condition is progressive and can become fatal over time. Another serious risk is lung cancer. Prolonged exposure to asbestos fibers significantly increases the likelihood of developing this disease. The risk is even higher for smokers, as smoking combined with asbestos exposure greatly raises the chances of lung-related illnesses. Mesothelioma is another aggressive cancer associated with asbestos exposure. This rare cancer affects the thin lining of the lungs, chest cavity, abdomen, or heart. Unfortunately, mesothelioma is often diagnosed at an advanced stage and can be fatal. Pleural thickening is another condition that can occur due to asbestos exposure. This involves the thickening of the lining around the lungs, which can impair lung function. It is sometimes linked with more severe conditions like mesothelioma and lung cancer. Ingesting asbestos fibers can also lead to gastrointestinal cancers. This can happen when fibers are swallowed after being coughed up or through contaminated drinking water. Cancers of the stomach, colon, and bile ducts have all been linked to asbestos ingestion. Certain professions, such as plumbers, pipefitters, and steamfitters, are at a higher risk of developing asbestos-related diseases. These workers frequently encounter asbestos pipe insulation and rank among the highest risk groups for these illnesses. In the context of high-risk jobs, working with asbestos pipe insulation adds an unseen danger to professions like logging, deep-sea fishing, and storm chasing. While these jobs already come with physical risks, asbestos exposure introduces a long-term health threat that may not show symptoms until years later. Preventing exposure to asbestos is essential. This involves careful handling of materials, using proper protective equipment, and hiring professionals for asbestos removal. Awareness of these risks is vital for anyone involved in maintenance, repair, or demolition of structures containing asbestos pipe insulation. Taking these precautions can help avoid the severe health consequences associated with this hazardous material.